set.
The focus is on Deandre Gayle from Jamaica College, running out of lane 4. He gets up to a good start. Catcher Neil Gordon is also there on the outside, though, for Kingston College. Jordan Taylor going well. He has gone upon DeMarco Bennett from Excelsior on the outside. Inside for Calabar, Raquel Reed is also tracking well as they hit the 200-meter mark. It's Jordan Taylor from Kingston College with a slight advantage. Now Deandre Gayle from Jamaica College starting to respond as they will hit the 100-meter mark now into the straightaway. Deandre Gayle from Jamaica College with the lead. Raquel Reed from Calabar is in second. He's starting to come up on the shoulder of Gayle. Gayle responds, he's strong and takes the win. Deandre Gayle, 52.68 the flash time.
A new personal record. These gentlemen did not come in under 54 seconds. They leave here with a 52.75 victory. Deandre Gayle was listed as a favorite. He lived up to that favorite's title. The record remains to Jeremy Farr of Wilmot, 51.44. Well, what a spectacular run by Deandre Gayle of Jamaica College. The JC faithful celebrate. This is with 250 meters to go. At this point, I think that Jordan Taylor is leading out there in lane 6. And in fact, Raquel Reed of Calabar has been having a hell of a time hitting hurdles early. At this point, Deandre Gayle makes his move. He gets the hurdle 8 first. You're going to see him rise first here, followed by the pair from KC as well as Reed from Calabar. This is hurdle 9. One hurdle to go. One hurdle from Glory, and he measures it well. He gets it. There goes Reed again, struggling from Calabar. But Deandre Gayle says, you name me favorite, I will deliver. Lovely time as well. These athletes were running 54 seconds earlier this season.
The Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.